and welcome to the unboxing of the new Realme Narzo 50A. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. First up in the box, we've got a package with the SIM ejector tool and some paperwork. Underneath that, there's the Narzo 50A, which we'll set aside for a moment while we see what else is in the box. Below the phone, there's the USB-C to USB-A charging cable and the 18-watt charging adapter. Now let's get to unboxing the device itself. At first glance, the Narzo 50A looks quite funky. The oxygen blue color is quite a light shade of blue, and the back of the device has this two-tone finish. On the half below the camera module is a textured finish with a sort of wave pattern which helps reduce the overall visual bulk of the device. The camera module itself looks quite unique. It's got a part gloss black and part matte black finish. Phone's About section, we can see that it gets the previously mentioned Helio G85 chip along with 4GB RAM, 128GB internal storage and Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 on top. Scrolling through the phone feels like a pretty smooth experience, and right out of the box it feels snappy enough to use. The camera app shows that it can record videos at a maximum 1080p at 30fps and gets things like a 50 megapixel mode, portrait mode and more.